friends, and welcome back to our channel and a new Python tutorial video. And in this video we are going to talk about list. Now you may be thinking, what are lists? And in your mind there will be like list of number of tasks or numbers, but in Python it means something else. So let me show you what it means. First let's open IDLE. So how to create list? Well, that's easy. It's just make a variable, and as we learned in the last video, let's say nums equal to, we use square brackets to create a list, and you can assign different values. Let's say 23, 45, 32, and 56. So we created our list. It's done. So we can also take values from it, like we'll say nums and then square bracket. The index number, we will say we need 32, so that's 2. See, we got 32. And then we can create list of strings. We'll say let's say strings. Let's give the name of the variable. Square brackets, and then we need to add quotes. We'll say hat, then comma, let's say TV, then I forgot to put the commas, my bad. Then let's say we'll say just hot, just random hot, and it's created. Now we can also take out strings. We can print it also like strings, and we got hat, TV and hot. Then we can take out strings. I want TV, so that's index number 1, and we got TV. So we can make a list of different types, like we can make list of float number, integer number, and then string. Let's make values here. Give the name, and square brackets. Float number, let's say 6.5, comma, integer number 78, comma, a string, let's say Ahmed. Yeah, so I created this list, and I forgot to give that equal sign. Yeah, 6.5, same list, comma, 78, comma, this. So now we read it, and we can also fetch values from it. Values, values. I need Ahmed, so that's index number 2, and we got Ahmed. Then there's a new function which is like in the starting I made a list of nums. I'll use for that. We'll say nums dot, and this will pop up. So in this there append. Let's try append. Append means you can add. I need to add, say, 45. It's added. Now let's check nums. At the end we got 45, and then let's check nums dot. It will take some time, but then we can clear, then extend, like how much we want we can extend in normal brackets, but inside we have to give square brackets for the list. So we can add 23, 82, then 99. So add, and now let's check. See, we got 23, 82 and 99. And then let's check. Then we can pop, insert. Pop means remove. We just enter the index number. I want to remove the first 45, which is index number 1. We have to do it in normal brackets. Now pop. Then we can give index number 1. We got 45. It removed 45. Then let's check nums. It doesn't have 45 between 23 and 32. Yeah, and then there's different functions like del. That means delete. Del, let's see. No. Nums. In these brackets, and I want to delete 82. Maybe we have to put that also in brackets. My bad. Nums in square brackets, then 82. I need to remove 82. So let's check. Oh, we have to give the index number. Again, I did a mistake. Index number is 5. So now let's check nums. We don't have 82. And then we can check the minimum. What is the minimum in this? Like the least number. That is min. That's another function. In nums. Brackets. Nums. No. Uh, 23 is the minimum in this. Then we can check the maximum, that is max, another function. Then it's 99. Then we can check the sum, that is sum of these all sum of the list. No. The sum is 278. So yeah, that's all for today. That's all for list, and meet you in the next video. So till that, bye bye.